floating soft beneath the endless sky. Dark waves roll, dark waves call. Pull me under, I hear it all. Dark waves, they never stop. Pull me under, I hear it all. The bassline wobbles like a heartbeat slow. Through the haze, the distant stars glow. Snares crack like lightning, then fade away. A hypnotic rhythm to greet the day. Dark waves roll, dark waves call. Pull me under, I hear it all. Dark waves, they never stop. calling, pulls at my hand. Oceans a mirror, stars sinking low. Where does it lead me? I don't know. Moonlight tide flow, carry me slow, deep where the rhythm only hearts know. Oh, moonlight tide flow, where do we go? Drifting forever, lost in the glow. Echoes of waves, they hum and they sway, each one a story, washing away. Time melts to nothing under this sky. The pull of the current asking me why. Does the moon watch me? Does the tide feel me? Oh, moonlight tide flow, carry me slow, deep where the rhythm only hearts know. keep secrets, they understand. Night is heavy, pulls me in, where shadows end, dreams begin. Night drift, night drift, I can't resist, sliding through the mist. Night drift, night drift, the stars persist in this endless abyss. Smoke curls slow, like a serpent sigh. Wind hums low, a lullaby. Every heartbeat, a bassline deep. Every moment, a promise to keep. And the echoes call, so far, so near. Whispers rise, they drown the fear. Night drift, night drift, I can't resist, sliding through the mist. Night drift, night drift, the stars persist in this endless abyss. Wobble of the bassline, shake my soul. Echoes of the guitar make me whole. Time slows down, I lose my way, drifting till the break of day. Tide rolls slow, whispers to the sand. Moonlight bends, tracing lines by hand. Shadow trees sway, soft in the glow. Night speaks low, where the cool winds blow. Night echoes shore, calling me once more. Night echoes shore, where my soul restored. trees sway, they're lost in thought. Roots run deep, but time forgot the stars. They hum a distant story deep in the bay. Feel the pull, echoes linger, the air feels full. Nightfall Island, where dreams collide. Nightfall Island, the tide won't hide. Nightfall Island, drift slow, reside. Skanks cut sharp through the hazy air. Delays stretch long, hanging everywhere. A voice calls out, but it's barely there. Night whispers low, low like a dream. Tide rolls in with a silent gleam. Stars paint stories on the ocean's face. Ocean glow, where the rhythm sways and the breezes flow. Ocean glow, deep it pulls where the soul will go. Moonlight drips like honey from above. Waves hum soft in a lullaby of love. Footsteps vanish where the sea foam plays. Hold the sound, let it echo wide. Feel the pull of the endless tide. Ocean glow, where the rhythm sways and the breezes flow. Ocean glow, deep it pulls where the soul will go. Time drifts slow in the current's hold. Shadows dance where the stories unfold. Salt in the air like a sacred hymn. I drift, I float. No anchor, no weight, no boat. Ocean night, chill, it calls my soul. Deep like the bass, it takes control. Ocean night, chill where time stands still. The sea, she hums a lullaby. Clouds roll low as the echoes fly. Every breath feels like goodbye. Deep in the night where the shadows glow, moonlight whispers where the cool winds blow. Stars like diamonds, they fall, they flow. Sea of stars, sea of stars, carrying dreams on broken spars. Sea of stars, sea of stars, we are drifting far, so far. Footsteps vanish in the silver sand. Tides are calling, pulling back the land. Echoes some soft like a distant band. We float, we fade, we glide away. Lost in the currents, no words to say. Sea of stars, sea of stars, Whispered secrets where the shadows grow. The satin comes low like it knows the tune. A rhythm ancient beneath the blue lagoon. Shadow beach flow, where the cool winds blow. Deep bass tremble, where the night won't go. Shadow beach flow, drift steady and low. Underneath the stars, where the mystics glow. Footprints vanish in the ocean side. Salty air carries dreams that never die. Palm trees sway like they're keeping time. Echoing skanks in a dub-wise rhyme. Feel it rise, feel it fall. Heartbeats blend with it all. Shadow beach flow, where the cool winds blow. Deep bass tremble, where the night won't go. Shadow beach flow, drift steady and low. Underneath the stars, where the mystics glow. The tide speaks soft with a liquid tongue. Songs of the old world never left unsung. Echoes linger where the waves collapse. Dreams dissolve in the basslines rap. Shadow beach flow, where the cool winds blow. Deep bass tremble, where the night won't go. Shadow beach flow, drift steady and low. Underneath the stars, where the mystics glow. The moon is watching the tide crawl slow. Waves whisper secrets only night can know. A barefoot rhythm on the silent sand. The ocean hums like a reggae band. Silent beach flow, flow, let it go. Silent beach flow, flow, let it grow. Feel the bassline roll like the undertow. Silent beach flow, flow, let it show. Palm trees sway like they're lost in a trance. The stars above do their endless dance. Cool breeze wraps like a lover's hand. Time drifts away with the grains of sand. Echoes in the distance calling me. A hypnotic pull from the Silent beach flow, flow, let it go. Silent beach flow, flow, let it grow. Feel the bassline roll like the undertow. Silent beach flow, flow, let it show. Moonlight dancing on the sea so wide. Oh yeah, breeze whisper secrets it can't hide. Night so heavy, stars start to sway. The rhythm of the tide takes me away. Moon breeze, cooling my mind. Time, oh so fine. Moon breeze, sweet and divine. Carry me slow, oh, let me unwind. Shadows against the ocean's glow. Waves hum low where the dub vibes flow. Echoes calling, let your spirit free. Yeah, yeah. Just you, the moon, and the melody. Feel it deep, deep in your chest. Let it caress. Moon breeze, cooling my mind. Moon breeze, drifting through time. Oh, so fine. Moon breeze, sweet and divine. Carry me slow, oh, let me unwind. Riding the bassline, wobble and sway. Nights a canvas, painted in gray. Reverb singing, stories untold. Echoes linger, soft and bold. echoes drifting endlessly. Night water groove, so deep, so wide. Night water groove, it's where we hide. Feel the bass, feel the vibe, feel alive. Shadows waver, stars so bright, ripples shimmer, catch the light. Heartbeats sink with the dub delay, floating further, drift away. Spring, river, splash, a dream, 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 dream. Guitar skanks cut through the stream. Since wells whisper, they rise, they fade. A hypnotic spell, the dub parade. Night water groove, so deep, so wide. Night water groove, it's where we hide. Feel the bass, feel the vibe, feel alive. Moonlight dances slow and wide. Waves whisper secrets they can't hide. Footprints fade like a fading tide. On a starlit beach, so far out of reach, time slows. No need to The sea hums low like a bassline groove. Stars above, they barely move. Night's a rhythm we all approve. Every breath echoes back, every thought stays intact. On a starlit beach, so far out of reach. Time slows.